Let's just breathe for a moment. Nothing else, just you and the breath. Find a comfortable seat. Hands resting soft on your knees. Sit upright but easy and close your eyes. Take one natural breath and just arrive. I want you to notice something. When we're anxious, the breath gets short, shallow, fast. The chest tightens. The mind races. And the body thinks something is wrong. But here's the thing. The breath is a two-way street. Just like anxiety can change your breathing can change your anxiety. That's not a theory. That's biology. And today, we're going to use it. We're going to use something called box breathing. It's simple. 4 equal sides. Let's begin. Breathe in through your nose. Hold 4. Breathe out 4. Hold 4. Once more, in through your nose. 4. Hold. Out 4. Hold 4. Keep going. Find your own rhythm. In. Hold. Out. Hold. 3 more rounds on your own. Nice and steady. Feel what's happening. The mind is slowing down. Let's go a little deeper now. This round, really feel each phase. the count, the rhythm, the breath. Notice the stillness between the breaths. That gap between the exhale and the next inhale, that tiny pause. Rest in that pause for a moment. Breathe in and feel the lungs filling, the chest expanding, the body receiving. Breathe out and feel the release, the letting go, the body trusting that the next breath will come. In. Hold and feel the quiet. Out. Hold. Keep going. Let the rhythm carry you. Keep going. No rush. Just the box. Just the breath. Let's go a little deeper now. In through the nose. Hold. Out through the nose. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. And again. Keep going. Take one final slow breath all the way in and all the way out. Stay here just a moment longer. Slowly, gently, open your eyes. You've got this today. I mean that. I'll see you tomorrow. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free chakra activation ebook and guided meditations. The link is in the description below. If this practice helped you feel calmer, more connected, the next step is our holistic membership. Inside, you'll get full access to all 9-week chakra balancing course, a guided experience through yoga, pranayama, healing mudras, and meditations to help you release emotional blocks, restore your energy, and bring your chakras into balance. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play Store. If you're ready to feel more grounded, confident, open-hearted, and spiritually aligned, join the membership and begin your chakra balance journey today.